Pinoy Bix.
Welcome to Pinabex. This is the continuation on how we actually compute for the indefinite integral. The following examples involve trigonometric functions. Okay, let's review first. The integral of sine x dx equivalent to negative cosine x plus c. Integral of secant squared x dx equivalent to tangent x plus c. And integral of cosine squared x dx equivalent to negative cotangent x plus c. Integral of cosine x dx is equivalent to positive sine x plus c. Integral of secant x tangent x dx is secant x plus c. And the integral of cosine x cotangent x dx is equal to negative cosecant x plus c. Now for the examples, for letter A, we need to evaluate the integral of 2 sine x plus 6 cosine x minus 12 secant squared x dx. For the first term, 2 sine x. For the first term, 2 sine x. So the integral of sine x is negative cosine. So therefore, negative 2 cosine x. And second term, 6 cosine x. Integral, we have integral of cosine is positive sign, so plus 6 sine x. And third term, so negative 12 secant squared. Integral of secant squared, so we have tangent x. So positive, so negative 12 tangent x. So, don't forget plus c. This is the integral. Next example, the integral of 3 secant x tangent x plus 1 over 5x dx. For the first term, 3 secant x tangent x. So integral of secant x tangent x. So we have secant x. So therefore, 3 secant secant x. 3 secant x. Second term, 1 over 5x equal to plus 1 over 5. 1 over 5 integral of 1 over x, so we have ln. ln of absolute value of x. Then plus c. Okay. Next is the integral of cosine x plus cosecant squared x dx. For the first term, cosine x, so equivalent to cosine is positive sign, sine x. Okay. Second term, cosecant, so integral is negative cotangent, so negative cotangent x. Then plus, don't forget, plus c. That is the answer. How about the integral of 24 plus cosecant theta multiplied to the sum of sine theta plus cosecant theta d theta. Okay. We will need to write this first. So integral of 24 plus, so I distribute each. So we have cosecant theta sine theta plus cosecant theta multiplied cosecant theta, so cosecant squared theta d theta. For the first term, so we have no problem. Simplifying the second term, so we have 24 plus, since cosecant is equivalent to 1 over sine, therefore cosecant sine theta is equivalent to 1 plus cosecant square theta d theta equivalent to integral of 25 plus cosecant squared theta d theta equivalent to 25 theta for the first term, and then integral of cosecant squared, so negative cotangent theta plus c, and that is the final answer. Next is we need to find the integral of sine of t over 2 cosine t over 2 dt. From double angle formula, sine 2t equivalent to 2 sine t cosine t from double angle formula. Therefore, sine t cosine t equivalent to 1/2 sine 2t. We need to replace all t with t over 2. Therefore, sine t over 2 cosine t over 2 equivalent to 1/2 sine t over 2, cancel yung 2. So, yeah, t. Therefore, this is equal to the integral of 1/2 sine t dt. And the integral of 1/2 sine t dt equivalent to integral of sine is, we have negative cosine, so therefore negative 1/2 cosine t plus C. And that's it. That's all for today. Kindly subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos. Thank you. Pinoy Bix.